I think it was 20.75 जहां पर अटके हुए थे, and उसके बाद ऐसे ऐसे उठाया उन्होंने, Mr. Goenka, and he was like, okay, we're at 27 crore, and mind blowing. And I was reading his interview on Crickbuzz, and let's uh, talk about that. Sahil, auction dynamics कहते हैं उसे. They said, Mr. Goenka said कि Delhi Capitals went till 26.5 for Rishabh Pant, and they missed out on him. So our guess was कि 26.5 तो ऋषभ पंत के लिए भी उन्होंने रखे ही होंगे if they don't get Shreyas Iyer, right? Yeah. So we had to go for 27. This is auction dynamics at play. This is amazing. And Rishabh Pant getting 27 crore, it's no surprise at all. It's like MS Dhoni entering the auction. You have a player for the next 15 years. अगर आप उसको ढंग से मैनेज करो, ढंग से बिल्ड करो, you have a player for next 15 years. You have a captain, you have a batter, you have a keeper for next 15 years.
I think that agar is the biggest keyword here, क्योंकि वो अगर ये होगा तो LSG के साथ क्या होगा, but that was pure theater यार. Starting with that Shreyas Iyer bid, I think वो DC table के ऊपर जो ड्रामा चालू हुआ when Parth Jindal aggressively kept nodding his head and Kiran Kumar Gandhi didn't listen to him and still raised the paddle after 26.25. Then Shreyas Iyer उनके हाथ से गया. उसके बाद you could sense that कि अब DC का plan एकदम गड़बड़ हो गया यार. Now what happens? That feeling you could get from DC stable कि हम तो श्रेयस का ही सोच के आए थे, अब श्रेयस गया. So that Rishabh Pant RTM was a desperate move. वो I think उसके बाद जाके सब माफीनामा इशू हो जाता, ऋषभ पंत को चल छोड़ यार, जो हुआ खत्म कर, तू ही कैप्टन है हमारा, तू ही सब कुछ है. वरना ऋषभ प्लान में नहीं था. I was very surprised they RTM'd him.
They had to go for him, right? They had to go for him. They had to go for him after they missed out on Shreyas. और हमने ये बात किया था फ्राइडे को हमने ये बात किया था प्रीव्यू में कि इट विल डिपेंड कि मार्की के लिस्ट में से नाम किस सीरीज में आएंगे, in what order they'll come out. And Shreyas came before Rishabh Pant. So again, let's take a few comments. But before that, overseas players, somebody's saying they have only over 6 overseas players. Let's count that. Nicholas Puran, David Miller, Aiden Markram, Matthew. 4-5 तो यही हो गए यार. उसके अलावा आपके पास bowlers में Shamar Joseph is there, yes. Mitchell Marsh is there, right? Yeah. So, okay, you know what? Let's be honest. Last time they had a lot of overseas players who balance nahi bana. This time they've gone for fewer ones. And they have 6. खिलाने तो आपको 4 ही है ना. And I think those 4 are going to do a good job for them. Aiden Markram at the top order, Miller in the middle, Nicholas Puran again in the middle, and Mitchell Marsh, he can be a floater for you.
I think they'll be one of the few franchises will have a all-Indian pace attack and a spin attack.
Yes, it seems like that. अगर आप उनके retentions पे देखो, let's take a few comments and Gigi, let's try and let's try and decode this. Abhishek Paul says LSG has only 6 overseas. That's very risky. Okay, let's see again. Sports fan कह रहे हैं lot of lefties in there. So this is a positive and a negative. Positive ये है कि जो opponent teams हैं वो आपके जो matchup हैं, और left arm spinner का matchup बहुत बड़ा माना जाता है T20 क्रिकेट में. वो मैचअप आप यूज नहीं कर पाओगे as long as you have your lefties on, as long as you have your lefties at the crease. Teams will think twice about having their left arm spinners on. That is a positive. What is the negative here?
नेगेटिव मेरे ख्याल से यही है कि फॉरेनर्स बहुत कम है. अगर आपके फॉरेनर्स फेल हो रहे हैं कंसिस्टेंटली तो आई थिंक वहां प्रॉब्लम आती है ना फिर कि टुवर्ड्स लेटर हाफ ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट whom do you replace them with? So I think they have shown immense faith in the players that the overseas players that they've picked, and बाकी तो देखो उन्होंने आवेश खान वापस लेके आ गए हैं, and so Indian core is more or less the same. I mean, no, not the same. I mean, Rishabh Pant के अंदर it's a fresh start, completely out and out. But I think Mr. Goenka was very clear that he was going to go for players who just understand the T20 language and go from ball one. He didn't want to again go back to a KL Rahul who will build an innings and this and that, and he had different thoughts on that. So he wanted to make a fresh start with players who are all out attacking. So our Miller और ये सारे players इसी तरह के हैं. Markram may be the only one just slightly थोड़ा in terms of run rate looks to build an innings, but otherwise they've got all जैसे टोडू player बोलते हैं हम T20 क्रिकेट की लैंग्वेज में, तो वही है सब और क्या है. It's an exciting again a very exciting team, and looking forward to watching it in action.
Yeah, and you know what, Manuja, what they've done is look, they were a new franchisee. ठीक है, उनके पास RPSG था and they were not very happy with how things ended there. Okay, one second, there's some external noise. Yeah, so they had RPSG, they had some learnings there. I think that was more in terms of their desire कि उनको एक IPL franchisee चाहिए. Then they came and bought Lucknow for $1 billion. And then they built this whole thing, KL Rahul around, and they had Marcus Stoinis in there as well. But look, I think 3 years was a learning curve for Lucknow Super Giants. Very simple. They retained the best parts. जैसे गौरव ने कहा ना कि they wanted aggressive players with that one single-minded approach. So they've picked and retained the best parts of what they liked, and then they've built a team around what their vision is. And I think, look, there is no hard and fast rule कि आपके पास एक overseas fast bowler होना ही चाहिए. There's no hard and fast rule. So I think it's a very exciting mix, and we'll see how this goes ahead for them. What are your thoughts?
I mean, anybody is saying, what is your guarantee of spending big bucks on your foreign players and then them not delivering? I see nothing wrong. And one of the USPs for me with Lucknow is the domestic investment.
Yeah.
Their boys they've groomed, they bought them back. Somebody like Yuvraj Chaudhary plays for Uttarakhand. Yeah. Plays for Uttarakhand. So you obviously done some hinterland scouting here and built around Digvesh Singh, Akash Singh. I mean, just look at the variety they've gotten. So even the last couple of years, I've seen the Lucknow Super Giants scouts all over the place. Amongst the many people you will see, Lucknow is one of them who's very solid with what they want to do.
Yeah.
Foreign players, it's really you've built your Indian core, and Puran, Miller, Makram will be your three good this thing with Mitch Marsh. So overall, I think I am really hoping the investment in local talent pays off, because at the end of the day, that's what you want to see.
Yeah.
With the foreign tanka on it.
Okay, yeah, that's what they've done. They've tried to go big, like you said, only 6 overseas players. In terms of their opening, I think Aiden Markram is somebody who's been penciled in to open the innings. और यहाँ पे साहिल हमें ये भी देखने को मिलेगा कि Rishabh Pant will also have a higher batting order.
Three. I think that's what I was talking earlier. I think Rishabh is not suited for a number 4, number 5 position, just the way he bats. He has to bat at 3.
And Rishabh Pant for number 3, and then you can have your Nicholas Puran, David Miller, and Mitchell Marsh coming in. So depending on how they play, how they line up. So I think this is going to be an exciting time. I also think
Mitchell Marsh could open with Makram. You have Rishabh Pant at 3,
and then
Puran at 4, Ayush Badoni at 5.
Ayush Badoni at 4, or Nicholas Puran at 5. आयुष बदोनी will also have a prominent role. जो थोड़ा बहुत आपने दिल्ली के लिए उनको देखा है, थोड़ा बहुत हमने उनको IPL में देखा है. Ayush Badoni could also have a prominent role. So yeah, again, let's see how it goes for them. It'll be very interesting. We'll take a few questions here. There is there is an opener. We have just told you. India bowling attack. Yeah, I don't think that's a problem. Okay. Nimish says, will Rishabh Pant be happy going to Lucknow? I think it's a fresh start. एक बार आप ऑप्शन में आ जाते हो, it's a fresh start. I think पैसे की बात जहां तक है, ये पैसा तो उनको मिलना ही था, चाहे वो कहीं पे भी जाते. Okay, let's have this. If Rishabh wants to come into the Indian T20 team, this is the worst team to play, as Akana is slow pitches and bigger grounds will be vulnerable. And somebody already said कि Sanju Samson की जगह तो पक्की हो गई है क्योंकि Pant will be playing at Akana. What is your thoughts, Sahil, on this?
Absolutely, यार. It's the worst IPL venue, यार. Horrible. 3 बार गड्ढा खोद दिया, 3 बार square खोद दिया. They spent some 10-20 crores already on that square. They've dug it up twice or thrice already. But horrible. It's a rushed venue for sure. I don't know इतना rush क्यों किया था. The square just didn't settle down, and I hope they turn it around. यार अभी रणजी के अंदर एक मैच हुआ तो फर्स्ट इनिंग के बाद, I think कर्नाटका यूपी का ही मैच था. फर्स्ट इनिंग के बाद पाटा बन गया था बिल्कुल. और शुरू का जो पिच बनता है, it's horrible, यार. It's horrible. Not ideal for T20.
Let's see what happens with the pitch. But again, all games are not in Lucknow, right? They also go and play 7 matches away, and there is another chance to perform there. Lucknow should appoint Ravi Shankar Kumar. Always a different tangent. Rishabh Pant को 27 करोड़ में लेके आए हैं, but Lucknow should appoint Makram as new captain because he's the best white ball captain in the world at the time after Rohit Sharma. His record speaks his leadership skills. I agree with Ravi Shankar here that Aiden Markram is a good captain, and I think South Africa have done really well under him. But when you have Rishabh Pant, आपको overseas captain बनाने की जरूरत क्या है? Ashwin says Pant and Marsh to open for LSG. I don't see that happening. Okay. Who's going to be the opener along with Marsh? Aiden Markram. Aiden Markram is going to open. And let's see any more comments here. Any more comments? Ekana की बात कर ली हमने. somebody said कि they have Mayank Yadav and Mohsin Khan, not the best injury records for them. I think their biggest concern with the Indian mix that they've had, especially in the bowlers, is the injury, right, Gaurav?
Yeah, 100%. आई थिंक वो एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न रहेगा बिकॉज मयंक लास्ट ईयर में हमने देखा शायद 3-4 मैच खेल के इंजर्ड हो गए, एनसीए गए और उसके बाद में वहीं पर थे टिल द टाइम ही जॉइंड द वाज पिक्ड फॉर इंडिया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर द T20s एट होम अगेंस्ट बांग्लादेश. सो दैट थ्रेट इज देयर विद मोहसिन आल्सो. आई एक्सपेक्टेड ह्यूज थिंग्स आउट ऑफ मोहसिन. मुझे लगा शायद वो मतलब अभी तक मुझे लगता है कि उनको इंडिया खेल जाना चाहिए था एटलीस्ट इन द T20 फॉर्मेट. वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग फास्ट बॉलर, लेफ्ट आर्म फास्ट बॉलर, बट अगेन नहीं खेल पाए, इंजरी प्रोन है. तो ये डेफिनेटली थ्रेट है, ये बहुत बड़ा. ये एक प्रॉब्लम है जो कि आई सी दैट हैपनिंग एंड आई मीन दैट वुड मीन अ लॉट ऑफ वर्कलोड ऑन आवेश खान, ऑन आवेश. सो वो थोड़ा सा इशू है, बट आई होप the fast bowlers stay injury free because they're investing in Indian bowlers and Ravi Bishnoi के ऊपर भी काफी लोड रहेगा इसकी वजह से, the world class spinners that they have. So definitely
even if we talk about, यहाँ पे और भी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं कि they don't have an Indian batting core, जो हमने देखा है, हमने बहुत बार बात किया है, हमने आरसीबी को कितना क्रिटिसाइज किया है कि they don't have an big Indian batting core. तो यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखो तो they don't have a big Indian batting core, but they are betting big. अगर आप आयुष बुदौनी को रिटेन कर रहे हो, then you are betting big on that player over there, and then you also have somebody like an Abdul Samad, आप उसके ऊपर भी bet big कर रहे हो. So they are betting big basically on Rishabh Pant, and then with their overseas picks, especially Pooran, David Miller, title जीते हुए हैं. Pooran is an exceptional T20 batter now across the globe. इंडिया में वो कभी कभार नहीं चलते हैं. So they are betting big on the names that they have gone in for, right, Gigi?
Yeah. And they might open with Pooran. मुझे ये भी लगता है because Pooran is a big hitter, a clean hitter. I have a feeling they will open with Pooran because free flowing batter है, typical West Indian player से खेलते हैं और pure match winner है अपने टाइम पे. The kind of guy you would want him to play the maximum out of the 120 balls in this setup, apart from Rishabh, of course. So I see him opening the innings and because as I said, their strategy is all out attack now. उन्होंने बहुत 3 साल KL राहुल और ये वो सब देखा, उनको लगता है कि अब फ्रीडम से खेले मेरी टीम एंड इट शुड प्ले एंटरटेनिंग क्रिकेट. आई थिंक सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद का मॉडल वो फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है लास्ट ईयर का.
Yeah, Himmat Singh is an excellent buy. I agree with that. I think he's a good player and might just bowl a bit as well if needed. Ayush Badoni, why not open with him with Marsh? Again, like I mentioned, there is a chance. Why not? You bet big on somebody like Ayush Badoni. Sahil, that could be a possibility. आपने retain किया है, तो आप उसके पास जाओगे.
जाओगे, but I think 4 या 5 उसके लिए ideal है number यार. मतलब that's how I look at it. Ayush Badoni is more suited for 4 and 5. Yeah.
Okay, Manuja, last comment from you on LSG before we move on to Gujarat Titans. You're muted. Please check that.
Yeah, I don't see Ayush Badoni opening. Best suited, I think 5.
Best suited.
5 is I think where and talking about their top, the Indian batsmen where people spoke about the top order. What they don't have in the top order, I think they make up very well in the middle.
Okay, yeah, that's actually very true. If you look at their core, you look at Pooran, Miller, and depending on where Marsh and Makram bat and Rishabh Pant at 3, that is going to be a very, and Matthew Britsky. I was waiting for somebody to point this out because Matthew Britsky, that's a good name. That's a good name. He's done well in the SA20. So let's see if they experiment with him in the opening slot or whether they go him for somewhere in the middle order. We'll have to wait and watch. Okay.
Chetan, last comment. They'll have a terrible season. They'll have a terrible opening season. Horrible season.
They'll have a terrible opening season. Why do you say that?
I don't know. Just the makeup of the squad.
Okay. चलो भाई, साहिल ने prediction तो कर दिया.